Hi, I'm Marlene from the library, and today we are going to make some hand sanitizer. Since we have had to use so much sanitizer, this is just like a pre-made that you could make up and just have if you can't find any anywhere. So, okay, first you take 2/3 cup of the rubbing alcohol, and now you can find it better than you used to. Take that, and then the pure aloe vera, you take 1/3 cup of that, that's the squishy noise it makes. And just take it and put it into your alcohol. And then what you have to do is you have to really, it does better if you have a little whisk, only I don't have a little whisk. So you just got to kind of mix the aloe vera up in the alcohol, and eventually it will start dissolving. And after you get it dissolved, it needs to be dissolved a little bit more. What you can do is you can take a spray bottle, a little spray bottle, and a funnel, and just take it and put it all in the funnel. Get it in your bottle, and then what I do to mix it up better is just take it and shake it really, really good. And now you have the hand sanitizer, and you can also use this to put on your hands, or you can also use this to clean with. So, thank you for spending time with the library. Bye.